Hey, what's going on, guys? It's super early. Hope everyone's doing well. Mount Fuji mug. We're using the QED Select Manchurian. Not here. For the soap, let me show you real quick. This is the new release from Nightwatch Soap Co. As I'm recording this, it's not out yet, but it should be by the time the video is out. Solace. Solace is bay leaf, fir needle, cedarwood, bergamot, and tobacco. This is my tub. Yeah, it's phenomenal, man. Like that scent's great. So anyway, let's go ahead and oh, this is a special shave, and I'll put something in the title, so that's why you're watching in the first place, right? But as you guys know, the wife hates the Goatee, like absolutely hates the Goatee, and we have our little girl coming soon. The due date's actually tomorrow. We're trying to go natural instead of inducing, so could be later than that. But anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna chop this off. I've had it for like 6, 7 months, something like that, and yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna cut it off and surprise her. And I know she's worried about, I don't think that this is an issue, right? But like the baby skin, that type of thing. So anyway, we'll just surprise her and see. And I'll see about doing. I just rolled out of bed, by the way. So like, well, I'll see if I can get her reaction, but I doubt it. All right. It's wet enough. No pre-shave. We're just going straight. Let me get this from the back of the tub. This is in our. This is in the tallow base, so it's a thick, creamy, dense lather. Peter, the shaving cyclist, did a 3-swirl 5-pass, I believe. 3-swirl 5-pass shave with plenty of lather. So I definitely did more than 3 swirls. Look, I'm going around the Goatee as if I'm not shaving it off right now. Anyway, yeah, this base is superb, no doubt. I actually just shaved my actual face without the Goatee. Probably like 18 hours ago or something like that. So I don't need to really shave the rest of my face. But I'll go through the motions at least. Let's add some water. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing very good. Like I said, I have been very busy. Different releases, testing out different things. I mean, soap making could be a very, this business in general could be a very, very time consuming thing. Coming up with scents, testing those scents. Because when you add it to a base, just because the scent smells, pleasant before you add it to a soap base doesn't mean it's going to smell the same whenever you actually, mixing it into the soap base. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to get everything around, and then I'll get the goatee because I want to close off the sink so I'm not losing any, or not getting any hair in the actual sink. So. I don't think I mentioned the razor. This is the Frederick Herter number 49. I just recently put a new edge on this. All right. Let me close off the sink there. Goodbye, Goatee. You've been well. Well, you have not been well groomed, because I don't know what I'm doing with the beard, but yeah. It feels so weird. Come on, get off of there. It feels so weird chopping this off. Oh man. Yeah, this razor is my chin. How are you, bud? How are you doing? I haven't seen you in over half a year, man. Wow. Alright, we gotta go to the other side. This sink is disgusting. There is a ton of hair everywhere. Soap is super slick. Super slick like Rick. Alright, slide there up a little bit more. Oh my god, it feels so weird putting lather on my on a spot that has not had anything on it for I don't know how long. I kind of feel like I'm dreaming. Because I rolled out of bed like 10-15 minutes ago. And yeah. I don't have my glasses on, but I think I'm good. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Oh boy. Gotta be honest. I don't like it. But, and I think I look super weird, man. When you look at your face for, you know, over half of a year and you have hair, and now all of a sudden there's like nothing there. It's like my face is smaller in this area. It's like, huh? Oh boy. But it'll make her happy and whatever. Alright. Oh, I'm doing it for the baby. That's what I gotta keep telling myself. I'm doing it for the baby. Alright, guys. I appreciate you stopping by and watching. That's it. I hate it. I hate it. But it'll only take me like, realistically, that same, because I trim it. I trim it with the, I trim it with this. So, realistically, it'll take me about a month, maybe a month and a week to actually get back to that same length. But it's just, the growing phase is kind of annoying, but anyway. All right, guys. Yeah, Soulless did great. I mean, it's, you know, Soulless did fantastic. As expected, right? I need to rinse that off. So yeah, that's it. Appreciate it, guys. Hope you have a good one. See you next time.